Hi friends, today we will discuss about the Catlight. Catlight shows build status notification in tray. It supports multiple public and private Jenkins servers. Catlight app runs on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Use of Catlight to see the current status of important builds and test. Let's see how can we configure that. Open a new tab here and search for Catlight. The first link is Catlight Action Center for developers. I have a Windows version, so I will download Windows, but you have options here for Linux and Mac OS. So download is now complete. So now I will open the setup here. Catlight also support different softwares, but we are using Jenkins here, so I will click Jenkins, server URL, username and password, and click connect here. This is a list of all projects I have available on Jenkins. On all projects are individual ones. So now I will click here on all. It will show the list of all projects. The red ones here have failures. The green ones have a success web interface here. I will provide the username and password, and here are all three the same projects, project 1, 2 and 3. You can also click here to see which build is failed and why it is failed here. So now I go to the console output. The touch command have a misspelled. I didn't mention here the ch in last. So I will go to the configure now and correct the command here, touch. It will create a file with the name file project 01. Now I click on build and build 19 is successful here. And this is a notification thanks to Catlight. See the notification, that's green because all the projects are successful here. In case changing the command and making a mistake here, and remove the ch once again, apply and save. Now click on build. Now build 20 has been failed, and this is a notification of Catlight. And see the notification in system tray, that's red. So friends, that's the Catlight for you. So see you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.